Go with y'all, man. We're back here with another video, and today, as you can see, I'm already in the M2 and I am driving currently. And as you can see, I'm cruising with my boy Dusty, and we are gonna go head over to Ants, gonna go get some tree, get some za, go hit some back roads, go vibe out with the homies on some nice wooded back roads. As you can see, we are like in the middle of the woods on the highway right now. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for all the recent support and all the videos. It means the world to me. But as of right now, I'm gonna hop up into some B-roll with my boy. So y'all just stay tuned. I'll get back with y'all when we get up to the spot, man. So yeah, just stay tuned. All right, so we just got up to the spot. As you can see, Dusty and I are right here. We're currently waiting for Ant. Apparently, he's just right across the street. We just went to the wrong... Oh, M2 just passed. You see the M2? Nah, there's no way. That's crazy. What if that's the homie Gary, bro? That'd be crazy. Same spec. But as you can see, got that man Dusty in the motherfucking building.
What's up, gang?
That V8 was booming. You hear that? That man in the Tonka body today, man. Hey! I was gonna bring the vet out today, but I had too much shit to do and I don't have a phone charger for the vet. So with that being said, we're not driving the vet. We are in the M2.
Aye, 10 out of 10, babe, you know you come different. I'm hitting it right on top, like once you come, let's switch positions. I told you I'm off for you, baby, but you still don't wanna listen. I'm giving you
and I don't got a seatbelt on. Nice. Damn, that thing sounds fucking nasty. My bad, I wasn't recording. I wasn't expecting him to rip it. Yeah, pussy. Watch out, buddy. I'm gonna get you now. Oh, I'm gonna definitely scrape something. Dang. What am I looking at? Dang, Ant's moving. James said that he's not really trying to rip his car, which I don't blame him, but bro, if I see an SRT on the back roads, I'm sorry, I gotta chase that shit. That fucking thing moves, bro. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you guys. I think Ant might get me in a race, at least down low. I might catch up to him up top, but dang, that thing was just moving. Ant wanted me to get my fucking car macked or something, bro. That's crazy. Your own homies be trying to take you out, man. Out of control. Crazy. Why is she walking on the side of the road like that, bro? Like, what are you doing? Why do people walk in the shoulder? There go, man. Yeah, the black bike. Stop playing. That shit got it, bro. Just straight enjoying life, recording my life as it is, because honestly, I enjoy my life a lot. Hey, look at that coupe. It's kind of cool. Okay, let's see if Ant rips that hole. Yeah! That thing sounded crazy, bro. Let's go. Yo, my bad, James, my bad. And it's just getting some gas in the little gas can. So I'll show you guys that, bro. Look at the SRT. Bro, this is what I need, is like some type of SUV with a V8, because that shit just looks tough. This thing got Brembo brakes. Stop playing. He's got the nice matte wheels, bro. What?
Bro, they got 94.
You guys got 94? No way.
You got the sticker.
Dang, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Bro, what?
We're moving on up.
94, bro. Woo-wee. Yo, James. Bro, they just got 94 octane over here now. Not no 93. They got 94 now.
They don't have 94.
Yeah, they just got it. He said he got it yesterday.
Hey, yo.
Look at
he just changed the sticker, bro. He's fooling y'all.
Yo.
He's laughing.
We're about to go dip though, so yeah, y'all stay tuned. What do you have to say to the people, bro? Come on, give them some nice insightful knowledge.
Insightful knowledge?
Like something, you know, that they can take with them, you know?
Something that you will always keep in life. You are a sinner, and the price for sin is death. Jesus came and paid the whole price for you. Imagine having a credit card with $1 million in debt, a life of debt, right? And Jesus comes and completely erases it. Hey, yo, follow God, my boy.
Follow God, man. Not many people are godly people anymore. So we are definitely trying to maintain that godly image for people our age, man. So with that being said, y'all, make sure you guys are keeping God in your life, because at the end of the day, none of this beautiful scenery in our lives, none of these things in our lives would be possible without him. He created a beautiful landscape and a beautiful thing with life, like in general. Like, I know that may sound kind of cringy or whatever, but I don't know, I've been starting to get closer with God this past year, and yeah, it's just, God is great. So with that being said, love God, keep God in your life, and let's hop right up into the back road shenanigans, man.
Sir.
Okay, nice. Yo, look at that little pussy ass shit. We about to mock that.
Electric bitch.
Show him what a.
Yeah.
Gotta show him what
Quick.
that motherfucking S58 talking about.
Yeah.
That lithium battery.
Not that lithium pussy shit, bro.
That battery just be sounding like.
What?
We just made it out to the freaky out location over here. Yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna get some flybys, some rev clips and whatnot. We got people driving by. We're just gonna see what's talking about. There's people playing music. Sounds like there's like a little concert going on over there.
We might have to go see what's like popping.
Yeah, I'm down.
Do like a motherfucking like
We should-
karaoke night.
Yeah, we should check it out. And then we got this cool little freaky out whip right there, bro. You guys got to give this video a like if you want me, Ant, and Dusty to all cop a $500 car and just beat the absolute fuck out of it.
We play IRL.
Yeah, we each get our own and just fucking abuse them. We're just trying to go where we hear the music. Oh, we got people painting, bro. That's fire. We're about to be tweaking out here. We got this whole new mural going up right now. Crazy. That's dope. That looks good. Looks awesome. Just got some cool little freaky out pictures over here, you know what I mean? Imagine.
Fuck that shit. I'm not fucking playing with no dumbass dog, bro. Get your dog in a leash.
Bro.
Bro, I got goofies.
I be starting these shits like pretty often, I feel like. James usually just like be throwing the bong at me.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Because, bro, them first hits just be like absolutely like nuts, bro. Like 150 completely knock out my shield off shotgun. It'd be like you get sniped from 300 meters away and just fucking break your controller.
Yeah, bro. It's just fucking 200 damage to the fucking dome. Right away.
Nothing you like, that's the type of whip that'll do that shit, bro. Like something like that.
Bro, just saw the smokestack come out of the whip.
Yeah, bro, out of here. On the white base.
There you go, gang. There's still a little bit more.
Thank you for that kind stroke, sir.
Got you, brother.
No, the guys' music's kind of makes it about, I can't lie.
We gotta get some real deal food. This ain't no Chipotle. This is the real Chipotle right here, gang. Go ahead, you can get jiggy now for the people, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, bro. This shit is about to hit so different, man. I cannot wait. About to get rice, no beans, chicken, everything over there, damn near. Bro, it's about to hit so different. This is what they got over here. Jalapenos, all that shit, bro.
Yeah, I just hate what it does to my...
White rice. I'm not gonna do any beans, please. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna do chicken, please. What's the difference? What do you think I should do?
I don't get it, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna just do a grilled, yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to be, go crazy.
Can I do like half grilled and half beef?
Yeah. And then I'm just gonna do lettuce. Oh yeah, I'll do queso. I didn't even know you had that, I'm sorry.
Damn, that looks so good.
Yeah, it's just good.
I'm
telling you. Yeah, I'm telling you. Damn, put us on. We're from New Jersey, which is like right next here, but we're like an hour away though. Yeah, of course, yes. Some lettuce, I'll do some sour cream and some cheese, please. And maybe, I'm trying to think. Maybe I'll do a few of these. Yeah, just a few of them though, please. Thank you. I'll do it with sour cream, bro.
It's not gonna taste as good as mine.
That's fine. Yeah, please, thank you. We got the food in this motherfucker. We got James getting his food. Yo, shake it
Let me
up.
just get some of that.
Hey, yo. That's what you gotta do. You gotta shake that
Power
up.
in the mind and the power in the stroke.
You caved in. Man's almost already down.
Bro, you know me. That boy took 3 of them in the mouth, bro.
At once. Crazy.
Hey, yeah.
Bro's scared.
That shit is unnerving.
All right, we are on this cool road. I got the 360 going, so I'm gonna use both, but I'm at my boy and show you guys like the view and everything. A few times too this morning. Dang, that's a flyer after, bro. Holy shit, man. It's a vibe, man.
Straight up.
We should stop here and get some flybys.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, we about to get some flybys or some shit. We're gonna see what it's talking about, man.
Dude, for real.
Fun though, like.
I'm hitting it right on top like once you come, let's switch positions. I told you I'm off for you, baby, but you still don't wanna listen. I'm giving you game, I'm telling you stack your bread, no bad decisions. I'm in LV, what the fuck, I'm here again. You and Chanel like Bonnie and Clyde. You and Chanel are the best of friends. Got a selection in a request, but she be airing them. I knew you was coming before I came.
Alright, we're heading out from this spot. There's like an abandoned looking shack, but I bet you it's not abandoned. Someone definitely just owns it and like pulls up there.
Yeah, bro.
Like imagine if you're married, you just buy some shit, you don't tell the wife about it, you just fucking go fucking
Where has the
chill there, bro.
secret shack?
That ass. Look at that Lambo, bro. Crazy. Don't play with that shit. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead, probably wrap it up right here for right now. I'm gonna pick it back up tomorrow, because I think we're gonna go to a Cars and Coffee or some type of car event. So y'all just stay tuned. And yeah, that shit's about to be fire. See his dusty ass tomorrow.
Cute asses tomorrow.
Easily. That shit tough, bro. All right, you guys, I just made it out to this car dealership right here. I just want to show you guys, some of the cars. Look at this beautiful E46 M3 wagon, bro, or at least it's an M3 swap or something like that. I don't know if it's an actual M3 because D badged him back. Actually, nice interior. They want so much bread for it. That's crazy, bro. It's a little expensive. Just to preface, I don't really know why I'm here. I'm just kind of checking out the cars because I don't know. They always got nice ones. And to end off today's video, I feel like it would be a perfect thing to end it off with. Right here, we got a beautiful, I think this is C63, right? Oh no, this is an E63 AMG. This one is actually really nice. What year is this? 2015. I didn't know that an E63 was still an AMG, but it's a E63 AMG S, bro. Look at that. That thing is crazy looking. I actually really like it. It's got the V8 bi-turbo right there. I don't know, man. Maybe you guys will see me in a Mercedes, bro, sometime soon. I might have to get a nice little Mercedes to accompany the M2 over there, bro. You never know. You never know. They just got like some Porsches, some older Stangs and stuff. Oh my God, look at this Fox body. Look at that Fox body, bro. That thing is so clean. Oh my God, that's crazy.
You should really shoot from the inside. Be a lot better.
Guys, the owner just came out. He's gonna let me check out the inside. Look at the Porsche right there. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Yeah?
Like, were you in the lot? Like,
Oh yeah, I was. Yeah, I checked it out. Yeah, I was looking at that E46 wagon that you guys have. That thing's awesome.
Yeah, it's a cool car. It's yeah, I love the color, techno violet.
Yeah. No, it's a great color. It's an actual M3 or?
No, it's not
Oh, okay.
M3. It's a Euro car, so it's actually a 328. Which
Oh,
is
okay,
actually
that's cool.
better.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, manual transmission.
That's awesome. Wow.
Yeah, this actually.
This is awesome.
So this is one of 7 in the world.
No way.
It is a 398 point out of 400 point car. It's won almost every
That's
award
awesome.
you could possibly win. So it's a 63 Studebaker Avante.
That's beautiful.
And it is.
It's in perfect condition.
Oh, it's.
Yeah.
You won't in your lifetime see a better one.
That's insane.
But it's truly one of 7 in the world.
Yeah, that's crazy. This is awesome. I gotta check this out.
It's not quite a GT3, but
wow, that interior is beautiful.
yeah, it's
Wow. Oh, I like the headlights on it too. That's cool. I've never seen one of these. I can't lie.
actually glass.
Really? That's awesome. That's insane. You never see them in like really good condition, I feel like.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Teal and opal gray.
Jeez. They're so cool looking.
Oh, and they have the best noise. That and the Sunbeam Tiger have probably one of the best exhaust notes.
Oh yeah, I can imagine. Wow. These are beautiful cars. These are like all for sale and everything. Wow. Jeez. Oh my goodness.
Porsche is a 1983 SC, so it's the last year of the SC, but it's actually the very first year the 911 was offered in a convertible.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of like a 1-year car.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, has like that one option that you can get. Wow.
And the Tiger, 1965, the London Auto Show, that was the car on the stage.
That's awesome. It's so small, but it's like, I feel like it's big for one of the small cars in a way. Or at least it looks like it. Dang, I've never seen one of these either. A Sunbeam?
Sunbeam Tiger.
Wow, that's cool.
Roots Company, Roots Group, I should say. So it is a British-based firm that used that's a 289 Ford motor.
Oh, okay.
And then you could have stepped it up.
That's awesome. Wow, that's kid. That in this thing?
In that thing.
Oh my goodness.
A lot of people died.
Yeah, I could imagine. It's like the Viper. Like,
Oh, yeah.
Like the Viper is just like uncontrollable when that came out. Even now, I feel like.
I drove one, a GTS Viper,
Wow.
from northern Jersey down here in the rain.
Oh, even with like traction on, it was still a mess.
You definitely get a little nervous.
Yeah,
You know what I
sure,
mean?
yeah.
Drive a lot of cars, and that.
Yeah, I could imagine.
But
Wow.
yeah, that thing is great. And you saw from underneath, the headers moved out.
That's insane.
It's an animal.
Yeah, I can imagine. That's crazy in something that like small. Dang, this Trans Am, this GT3 is. Those wheels are huge.
Huge.
Like what?
That's one of the good years. I mean, 2018 is a really good year for us.
All right, you guys. Sadly, my phone died, but that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys. Oh my God, bro! What the fuck, bro? You just scared the hell out of me. Why are you underneath the whip? What? Hey, yo! What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Tripping. You are tripping. You are tripping. Go run your ass outside, bro. What the fuck, bro? Y'all are tripping. Oh my goodness, what did I just incite, bro? Alright, anyway, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for all the recent support and all the videos. It means so much to me. We just hit 900 subscribers. We just hit 900 subscribers and we're already at 900. What the fuck, bro? No, bro. No. Yo, your back. Watch your back. Watch your back. Look behind you. Look behind you.
NANI?!
Hey, yo. Thank you guys so much for 900 subscribers. It means the world to me, and thank you guys so much for all the recent support. It means even more to me. I can't wait to continue to make these videos, and sorry about the upload not going up earlier this week. I've had Wi-Fi problems all week, and as you can tell, it's now actually the next day. It's not even later in the day, so it's actually raining today. Maybe I'll take the M2 out and get some sliding POV. Who knows, man? Y'all gotta hit the sub button, hit the like button, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys so much again, and I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Take it easy.
10 out of 10, babe, you know you come different. I'm hitting it right on top, like once you come, let's switch positions.